Christmas has well and truly arrived here in the city of Derry. From a commercial perspective, the week before Christmas is one of the busiest. Not for a local couple, however, who are set to raise money this week in memory of their much-loved son. Local partners Martin and Mary Gallagher lost their son Christy at the age of 23 when he contracted 2 strains of malaria in 2006 in Thailand.
What happened in 2006, we lost our son Christopher to malaria. He was just about 2 weeks prior to coming back, to the homeland here. And unfortunately he had the disease already, and unfortunately prior to coming back he passed away out in Thailand. And after that, we were waiting for Christopher to come home. Myself and, Mary actually, his mother, she wanted something set up in his memory, and one of Christopher's friends worked here actually, Dermot Bonner, and it was felt maybe that Dermot could go along and have a word here with Richard, and it was all set up there from there, So since the malaria fund started up in 2006, we've been doing quite a few events, raising money to send out to Tanzania, because Tanzania was where our project was mainly concerned with at the start, and we extended our arms since to Ethiopia. But what we did do was we done a lot of fundraising, and to date we have around about £12,000 raised since Christopher's death, which has got quite a lot of nets, and which we were able to distribute to young children 5 years and under, right? Because their immune system, their immune system's not fully developed at around that age, so it's to give them a chance in life, So knowing that the nets are going out there, and we actually, it gives us a focus to raise every morning, At the start of the year, this year, we were out in Tanzania, really, and prior to that day we were just doing maybe 2-3 sort of events at the start of the year, nothing coming up towards the end of the year, And I think what really kicked us up the backside was the fact we were out there, seeing the nets, we visited the villages, seeing the children, and when we got back on the plane we decided, we were leaving them people behind, you know what I mean? And we decided from there, we were just walking, myself and Mary just taking a walk along the beach at Las Fanas one day, and we decided, right, we need to do more, need to do far more, and this idea came up and our mind just to, we'd sitting at the Guildhall Square for 1 week, just like the Black Santa does in Belfast, And it's unique to Derry too, because it has never been done, I don't think, before, I think maybe one taxi man tried it when the tsunami happened, I think a couple of years back, but that was all, But we intend to keep this an annual event if we can do it.
Mary and Martin Gallagher are parents who like to relive memories of their son. They feel passionate about creating awareness. These are parents who have turned their tragedy into a beacon of hope for thousands of other children.
Children Crossfire is an organisation that works in the developing world to help improve the lives of young children, and to do so we try and help improve their access to healthcare and education services. We also focus on protecting and promoting the rights of children within those communities. And the countries where we currently work include Tanzania, Ethiopia and the Gambia. So we work with local organisations in those countries to try and improve access to healthcare, education, and we also work with organisations who help to protect and promote the rights of children in those per communities. So to help to give them a voice, to have their voices heard in the places where they live.
As building continues here at Guildhall and general chaos throughout the streets of Derry, Mary and Martin Gallagher both plea for everyone to join them this week as they camp out here at Guildhall Square. They hope that facing the bitter cold will help more and more lives. McLaughlin for iNews in Derry.